Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. This is another media commentary. Let's talk about the Orville, that Seth MacFarlane show about a spaceship full of freaks, drunks, perverts, traitors, and you know your basic Fox Network softcore pornography done for live action instead of Brian Griffin, the dog from Family Guy. You get the connection now? The captain of the Orville was the voice of Brian Griffin, the dog. It seems that Fox loves making softcore pornography and then bitching and screaming about morality and the decline of America because of immorality. And that's about as far as I can go on that part of the thread. Tuck that back in under and go down a little bit. There's going to be teasers from here on. So if you're planning on watching it and don't want to know nothing about the show before you see it on the screen, stop now. Okay. The captain and his first officer were married. He come home from work one night and she's in bed with this blue guy. Yeah. They got divorced. He's not all that good with it. Reminds her of her every possible. Mentions it. Anything that has slightest possible contextual connection. Oh, she cheated on me. Yeah, I got divorced. Okay, and then they got a robot officer. And he's from another place where they're all robot people. They don't do sex, they do mass production. Uh, think of the Clone Wars, where they're in that Camino factory where they're making the robot soldiers. Uh, Battle droids, that's it. Battle droids. That kind of thing. Anyway, in the guise of examining the Union to see if they were worth joining, and actually figuring out if they should spare any of the biological units. They decided, no, wipe them out. So the Union had to buddy up with their biggest enemies, the Krill, ugly guys. They're wearing looks like a modified Jem'Hadar makeup on the face. Oh, yeah. Anyway, currently I'm up to the point where the third officer, he's this green alien from a planet where they're all male. Whether or not they're born that way. You know, born female, change it. Make it a boy. Uh, third officer, green guy. He's married. Him and his husband live on the ship. And, well, third officer laid an egg. And hatched a girl. Big drama, you know. She ends up getting taken to the home world and mutilated. Yeah, turned into a boy. There's a later episode where they find a whole world of girls from that planet that have been smuggled there so then they could grow up girls. Okay, that's cool. And they said, well, tell us where that planet is because we want to arrest them all and change them and then put them in prison. And you said, no, we don't want to. Well, it turns out that the race of people, the green third officer, they're the source of all the weapons in the Union. Yeah, okay. Hey, follow the weapons, man. We got you by the gun. Ugh. I didn't intend to double entendre, but anyway, that's as far as I've got on the orville. But, softcore pornography. Everything. Everything in the story played for the laugh. Any drama at all is just the dramatic. What was it? Used to be the comedic relief. Was the dramatic relief from all the ha 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 ha. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh yeah, and I saw that on Star Trek. That came from Lost in Space. Yeah, plagiarizing everything that come before. Did I say softcore pornography? Anyway, I mean, seriously. Uh, obscene shit, man. If you thought The Simpsons was bad, if you thought Family Guy was bad, Family Guy with Brian, Talking Dog. Check out the action between Chris Griffin and Mr. Herbert. Yeah, like I said, Fox Network, softcore porn. Then they scream about morality. Yeah. Anyway, good night from California.